I'm open it now, like.
So they are sending the picture for
I
you?
called them, they're sending it, will be here in 10 days, I said. No overnighting as an apology.
So it's this one.
Yep, and it's one.
Do you have any guesses? No. No.
It's not a blender.
Smaller than a bread box. No, I don't have one. Oh yes, this is awesome. This is so great. One of our friends had one of these the other weekend when we were at the beach. It's just a mini camcorder, but it takes HD
Mary Lynn has
video.
it. She's using it right now.
Yeah, right.
I thought
Make me feel stupid.
flip opening a flip was a good idea here. So
It's really, really awesome.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
Oh, I can't wait.
It's super easy.
So you'll get a lot of use out of it when
I know, especially with the baby.
That's gonna stay in a bag until after the baby's actually born.
Why?
Why?
In the delivery room. That will not be in the
Yeah.
delivery room.
Oh.
Trust me.
We'll let Pat bring it with
I don't
her.
think anybody